for a while when I was in the 80s, when they were very young, I used to go to KlezKamp. I was sort of kind of on the staff there. It was good because you never, even as secular as we were, we all like naturally hated Christmas. I mean, we couldn't stand it, and it's like very hard when you have kids because like that's when you become aware of it's this thing, that goes on, this magical thing, and that you don't care about. I mean, I had this ongoing argument with my younger daughter about a Christmas tree. She wanted one, and the thing is that no, you can't. You can't. I mean, it was like, and then finally, because of some circumstances, that when you're just okay, you could you could have what was the big, why did I what was the problem? And then after that, she ceased to be. And I know what it was. There was somebody who lived downstairs from us who had a Christmas tree, and the kids used to like the kids used to come down there and trim it for her, the whole thing, Anyway, it was nice to go to KlezKamp because it was always over Christmas week, so you could just avoid that whole thing. I mean, they timed it very well. You just we were out of the city. The kids would do this stuff.